Hey YouTubers, it's Charlie. So totally unexpected, they're dropping the Rogue One teaser tomorrow morning. They revealed a new Stormtrooper, so let's proceed to freak out in an orderly fashion. Just because this is such an unexpected, really awesome surprise, I'm going to do a special giveaway for Star Wars stuff. We'll go ahead and say Force Awakens DVD. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is be a subscriber and leave a comment on this video. Whenever I post the big teaser trailer video tomorrow, I'll announce who the winner is. But if you have no idea what's going on with Rogue One, it's one of the Star Wars anthology films. It's going to tell the story of how the rebels stole the plans for the very first Death Star. So the idea is that by the end of that film, we might be picking up with the initial events of Episode 4. They're allowing the anthology films to jump around in the timeline, so they're not all going to be set during the time of Force Awakens. But another really good example of that is the Han Solo film that they're working on right now. It's going to tell his origin story. They've been looking for a young version of Han Solo. They haven't officially revealed who all the Rogue One characters are, but we know that Mads Mikkelsen is playing one of the Empire characters, which is funny because I just talked about him being in the Doctor Strange movie as a big villain, but I'm most excited for Felicity Jones' character in Donnie Yen. The rumor is that Donnie Yen is going to be a blind Jedi. If you haven't been watching Star Wars Rebels, they've been playing around with the idea of what happened to the Jedi after the Purge. There are still Force users out there, so it's totally possible that Donnie Yen could be a blind Force user. But we can talk more about those characters when they drop the actual teaser. So be sure to subscribe to get that video. Tonight is going to be Big Arrow WTF. Really awesome Star Wars footage coming tomorrow morning, and that movie is dropping in December if you guys didn't know that. Then next week, first Doctor Strange trailer, and more Captain America Civil War. So Marvel and Disney are doubling down. Remember, Star Wars is also owned by Disney, so of course they're going to use Captain America Civil War to promote the other Marvel films as well as the Star Wars films. While you guys wait for my next video to post, if you haven't seen them, you can click here for my Star Wars The Force Awakens Easter eggs, and you can click here for my Captain America Civil War behind the scenes video. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Let's high five. I'll see you guys tonight.